Hi everybody, it's 2022 and we have got a fresh list of Chrome extensions that are little known, but I guarantee you that you will use at least 70% of them after watching this video. So let's get this video started. So imagine I was searching for some information for my upcoming project. Suddenly I stumble upon this image on the internet which contains all the information that I need. But it's in the image format, so what do? Well, in this case, if you have the project naphtha installed, you can simply copy the text by selecting the text. Then right click on copy text. Then I can paste it anywhere or save it anywhere for my future use. As you can see, I have put the text on the notepad. So not just copy the text, you can also translate for different languages. And if you want to find the similar content, you can just drag the image and drop it here. Pretty cool, right? With that note, let's move on to a second extension. Sometimes we stumble upon the articles like this article about the metaverse that I wanted to read. But when I start reading, it becomes really clumsy because of all the ads and other things present here. So what do I do to increase my reading experience? That's where Mercury Reader comes in. If Mercury Reader is installed on your Chrome, then you can simply click on the icon and instantly it will translate into a page that is much better to read without any clutter or distractions, as you can see here. At any point, if you feel like you want to read it later, then simply you can click on this button and send to your Kindle. Also, you get some settings option here using which you can select the text size, typography and theme, whether you want a light or dark theme for reading. I really like this extension because it gives me a clean, clutter-free reading experience. The next one on our list is Momentum. We all know that Chrome has a pretty bad homepage experience. That's where Momentum comes in. Momentum really enhances your homepage experience. Let me show you how. Once installed, Momentum transforms your boring background of Chrome into a beautiful background, as you can see here. Not just that, it gives you a nice clock here, and my favorite feature is instead of clock you can select the percentage wise. So as you can see, it shows 94%, which means the 94% of the day is done. And I really like this feature because if there is a normal time, it will not have much impact on me. But if I change it to percentage wise, I know how fast the day is going, and it really helps me keep motivated and work faster and faster without wasting much of my time. So every time you open a new tab, Momentum will open this default page. Suppose my main focus for the day is to create a YouTube video and publish it by 8 PM. Then I can set it here. So as you can see, it's showing my main objective of the day here. Every time I open a new tab in order to do something, it always keeps me reminding that what I have to do today. Once the task is done, I can simply click on tick mark so that the task is done for the day. Then I get a small to-do option here, from where I can select the other task that I wanted to do. Once I complete the task, I can simply put a tick mark here showing that the task is complete. It also gives me some motivational quotes, nice weather, and if you are a premium user, you can make use of the Pomodoro clock as well. Also, you have a lot of settings and customizations to do it from here. So this is really a cool extension and I really like it. The next one on our list is Enhancer for YouTube. As we all know, YouTube has pretty limited features. That's where this Enhancer comes in. So this has a bunch of features that we can add for YouTube. I'll show you one by one. So you can add a loop feature, you can stop playing the video, which are found by default in YouTube as well. But you can boost volume, you can block ads for all the videos. Also you can add a whitelist to certain YouTube channels where you wanted to see the ads to support the creators. So this is obviously the remove ads option. Then we have the toggle cards, then you have the cinema mode where you can switch to cinema mode. Then we have the expand option, then we have the pop-up player. So as you can see, it has opened a pop-up player. You can place the pop-up player anywhere you want. You can resize it according to your needs and you can use it for all the purposes. By having this feature, you can do multitasking efficiently. Then we have the speed adjustment option where I can use the mouse cursor in order to adjust the speed of the video. Then we have the video filters option. By clicking on this option, I can do everything to the playing video like the Gaussian blur. I can increase or decrease the brightness. I can increase or decrease the contrast. And I can do everything as per my liking here. Then we have the option to flip the video horizontally as well as vertically. Also, you can take a quick snapshot from any of the video and it will be downloaded as a file. Then we have the keyboard shortcuts option. If you want to write any custom script, you can do that as well. Then we have all the settings option here. It's pretty cool and I really like it because it adds a ton of features to the YouTube which are missing by default. The next one on our list is Ghostry. As you can see, whenever we visit a website, there are multiple ads, pop-ups and whatnot, and you really cannot concentrate on what you wanted to do on that website. That's where Ghostry comes in. Once installed, enable all the features of Ghostry like ad blocking, smart browsing, etc. and just refresh the page. All the ads are removed from the web page and there are 0 ads. If you want to read any article, you can simply click on the article and you can read the article without any ads or annoying pop-ups. As you can see, from a single page, Ghostry has blocked 14 objects. If I expand it, you can see all the advertisers, essential trackers, site analytics, undefined trackers, whatever nonsense is there in the website, everything goes 3 blocks. I really like this extension for this reason. Imagine you wanted to read something on Wikipedia like an article on blockchain. But Wikipedia is really of an old design and is very clumsy and it is very difficult to read. That's where our extension Wikivant comes in. Once Wikivant is installed, it really converts the old boring Wikipedia page into something that's readable and lovable. So as you can see, I have all the sections labeled out here and the article is very well formatted and I can read it easily. If I wanted to go to any section, I can simply click on the option here and it will navigate to that section. Not just that, if you wanted the meaning of any word, say Bitcoin, simply press the Control button and select the text. It will immediately load the option and pull out the meaning from internet. You can do it for pretty much any word and immediately it will give the meaning of that word. Pretty cool, right? The last one on our list is a pretty fun extension. The name of the extension is Click to Remove Element. As the name suggests, you can click on any of the elements and it will remove that element from that web page. It's pretty cool to just click and remove the things from the internet, and you can take a screenshot and share it on Twitter, Instagram or any social media handle and have a fun with your friends and family just pranking them. I have provided link to all the extensions in the description below. You can make use of it. Here's a quick tutorial on how to install an extension if you are not aware of it. Just click on the link in the description and it will take to a page like this. Just click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. As you can see, this will add the extension to Chrome and by default it will add it to the toolbar. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends and family. Also do let us know in your comments which are your favorite extensions and how it is helping you improve your internet browsing experience. Thank you, have a great day, bye.